How to unpack the EasyJet Pro 36 powder shaker dryer and fit it through a standard 36-inch doorway. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, 12mm open-end wrench, scissors, drill, and a furniture dolly. You will also need the following supplies that are included in the package: a 4mm Allen wrench, 4 wood blocks, a plywood board, foam sheet, and wooden ramps. If the doorway is 4 feet or wider, the EasyJet Pro 36 shaker ships fully assembled. If you have a 36-inch or smaller doorway, the shaker will be shipped disassembled for your convenience to fit through the doorway. Here are easy step-by-step instructions. First, cut the straps that hold the shaker in place. Lift the top heater chamber and place small blocks to keep the chamber elevated. Once elevated, remove the powder catcher and with your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the side panel. Pull the wires connected to the top heater chamber through the hole to free it from the bottom chamber. With 2 people, lift the top chamber and carry it through the doorway. The top heat chamber is 11 inches high, 23 inches wide, and 47 inches long. Next, we'll focus on the shaker. With your drill, unscrew the brackets that are holding the shaker to the platform. There are 4 brackets in total, 1 on each caster. You can use a ramp to slide the shaker off the platform. Make sure to remove take-up reel pieces that are not attached to the shaker. Slide the shaker down the ramp so the 2 wheels are on the ground while 2 wheels are on the platform. This is the best position to turn the shaker on its side. Once in position, remove the ramp. Place a piece of wood on a furniture dolly. You can also place a piece of foam on top of the wood for added protection. Once in place, turn the shaker on its side onto the dolly. When the bottom heat chamber is on its side, it is 30 inches wide. If you have a smaller doorway, the caster wheels can be taken off to make the chamber 25.5 inches wide. Now you can roll it through the doorway. Now we'll bring it back through the doorway, place it down, and show how to assemble the shaker back together. Place the shaker in your desired location. The casters make it easy to roll the shaker in your space. Place the blocks back on the shaker and then place the top heater chamber on top of the blocks. This allows you to easily thread the wires through the small hole on top of the shaker. Remove the blocks and gently place the top chamber down. Connect the cable labeled Heat 6 to the Heat 6 port. And connect the cable labeled Heat 3 to the Heat 3 port. Then connect the S6 J14 cable to the J14 port. Once all the cables are connected, lift the white panel up and pull it away. Tuck the long gray cable inside and snap the white panel back into place. Use these screws to connect the top heat chamber to the shaker. The screws are placed in small holes inside the side panels at the top. You will need to remove the side panel on the other side of the shaker as well. Use an Allen wrench to tighten the screws in place. Place the side panels back onto the shaker and insert the powder catcher back into the shaker. Next, connect the shocks to the shaker. Lift the top heat chamber and connect the shocks to the top and bottom heat chambers. Use a wrench to tighten the shocks into place. This will need to be done on both sides. Once in place, you can close the top heat chamber. You can now wheel it in front of your Epson SureColor G6070 DTF film printer. Plug the EasyJet Pro 36 in and turn it on. This shaker uses 120 volts. Then feed the film from the printer directly into the shaker. EasyJet Pro 36 has a built-in vacuum that pulls the film through the heater. No need to waste film feeding it all the way through the heater to the take-up wheel. Now you are ready to print.